How to transfer money internationally using Binance. Follow the instructions. Log into your Binance account and complete identity verification if not already done for security. Go to Wallet and select Withdraw to start transferring funds from your Binance account internationally. Choose the cryptocurrency you want to send and ensure it is supported by the recipient's exchange or wallet. Enter the recipient's correct wallet address. Double-check the address to avoid permanent fund loss. Select the correct network that matches both Binance and the recipient's wallet for successful transfer. Input the transfer amount, review any fees displayed, and ensure you have enough balance for the transaction. Confirm details, then authorize the withdrawal using two-factor authentication, 2FA for added security. Wait for blockchain confirmation. Once verified, recipient will receive funds in their wallet internationally. Thank you for watching.